today's vlog is sobrang late na vlog na ito. So today is a meet the teacher. So pakita ko sa inyo guys yung mga dadalhin natin sa school. Yung mga like donation lang. Oh. Okay, eto. So here's the donation. Pinakita ko na sa inyo to. Ayan. This is Troy, Kuya Chad, and then Caleb. Ayan. Ayan. So actually we're ready to go na eh.
Daddy.
Everybody's ready to go.
And didn't say hi yet. Hi.
Say hi guys.
I know, sissy. You just don't have to.
You're so sad. Alright.
Yes.
Why?
Hey, Mom, can you carry the
Yeah, I'm gonna carry them.
Need to try her helmet on.
Where's the helmet? Put it on. Where's the helmet?
Right here.
She really had the helmet.
Point this.
Ayan, nag-aaway sila because of the helmet. Sisi! Ay! Oh, see?
I mean, it feels weird too.
No, I don't. Oh! You just... You gotta move it.
Hold on. Alright, Mom, your turn.
No, look, it fits me. Oh my gosh, it does fit me.
It fits everyone.
It don't fit
It fits
everyone.
me. It fits Kuya. Give it to the girl. She cried because she got hit by Troy, so.
Yeah, because...
Let me see it.
Daddy's gonna try it.
That's as far as it goes.
Caleb. Let Caleb. Oh, here, let me try it again. Because Kuya Chad took it so fast.
Bigger ear. I have bigger ear.
Try natin. No, okay, here.
Everybody takes a lot of turns.
Alright, come on, let's go. Alright, let's go. So, let's go. Oh my gosh, girl, hurry up. Are you guys gonna be riding with me? All of you?
I'm gonna ride with you.
Okay. Do you have his chair? Everybody ready?
Yes!
So guys, si Kuya nandun siya kay Daddy. Kasi, Daddy's gonna be taking them sa practice. Kasi meron pang practice ngayon si Troy at saka si Caleb. Kaya, two vehicle kami ngayon. Kasi, marami akong kailangan gawin. And, what?
Anyone lock the door?
What door?
Up.
Yes, it's locked. Marami akong kailangan gawin. And dahil tomorrow is first day of school ni Kuya Chad and Kuya Caleb. Kaya madami akong kailangan asikasuhin. So si Daddy na yung magtitake sa kanila sa practice today. Oh my gosh, sobrang busy natin this week. Nakakaloka. But yeah. So yung time ng meet the teacher is 4 to 5. So kaya kailangan by 4 na doon na tayo. So it is 3:30 na. So yeah. So let's go.
Let's go.
Yeah, dito na kami sa school.
I'm
Huh?
hot.
You're what?
I'm hot.
You're hot?
Can't stand in your shadow.
You're gonna stand on my shadow? You stand on Daddy's shadow. Right there, Daddy's shadow.
Mommy said it's not that big.
My shadow is not that big, dude.
You're almost bigger than Mommy.
You're crazy, girl. Sige. Get my shadow. Alright, we're gonna go to Troy first, okay? Yeah. Go, sissy. Diggy. Oh my, go. Yeah, Caleb, that way. Just wait. What are you doing? Oh, see, you're gonna hurt again. You're gonna hurt yourself again.
Stop.
All right, let's go. Let's go. Troy.
This way.
Yeah, this way.
Come on. Come on.
So, yan. Punta tayo sa room ni Troy first.
Is your heart fluttering yet?
No, not yet. We should go him last. So, this is Troy's hallway.
The ceiling has changed.
Yeah, they did.
See that ceiling? They're still working on that.
Yeah, they're still working on it. It's alright. Oh, see, let's go see if no. Oh, Troy, find your name, Troy, locker, find your name. Where's your name? Where's your name?
Let him look you. I'll get back. Very good.
Good job. Is that your name?
Troy?
Don't open it yet.
I thought he knew.
Yeah, we're done with Troy. Troy, what did you get? Show me what you get. Wow, I know that.
Yeah, I told Troy.
All right, so we're gonna go to whoever teacher we're going.
See, both of them down the main hallway now.
Yes, it's the same hallway, so
That makes it a little easier.
yes. Everyone is good. So we are done, guys. Tapos na kami.
All together.
Why can't I just ask my teacher?
Now,
If I do.
You'll find
we
out-
are
you'll find out
done. Bahay na kami, guys. So, tag na to. Sobrang quick lang yung meet the teacher. As in, like, sobrang quick lang. Kasi, 1 hour lang ata yung ginawa nilang meet the teacher. So, talagang sobrang quick lang nag-introduce. Kasi, yung iba kasing mga teacher, guys, is kilala na namin. Kasi nakakasalimuha din kasi namin sila. And, as in, pagkakita pa lang nila sa amin, is like, you know, like, hi, yan, Kayla, ganyan, Richard, ganyan. Pero yung kay Chad, I don't think na-meet ko na siya before. Pero yung kay Caleb, na-meet ko na siya before. And, nakakasama namin siya sa field trip, ganyan. So, kaya kilala ko na siya. And, they know me. And then, yung kay Troy naman, guys, hindi ko ina-expect na yung teacher na nagturo kay Chad at saka kay Caleb nung pre-K sila. Akala ko siya pa rin yung magtuturo kasi yung nakalagay sa paper ni Troy na siya yung magtuturo. Tapos nung pagpasok namin doon, hindi naman pala. Nag-retired na siya kasi sobrang dami daw ng sa asawa niya. So, kailangan niya mag-focus sa asawa niya kasi may mga health condition yung asawa niya. So, kailangan niyang mag-focus sa asawa niya. So, yun. Kaya may iba tayong teacher na nakilala. So, yeah. Meron siyang assistant din. And then, nagasta ko kung pwedeng mag-send ng cupcake sa Monday. Kasi nga, dahil nga, birthday ni Troy, ito ngang Friday. So, sabi ko, kahit okay lang na late na ganyan. kung okay lang na mag-send ako ng cupcake para merong cupcake yung mga bata on their first day of school. So, Monday na yung kanilang start ng school, guys. Ito namang batan to. Excited.
What's up here?
Listen. What are we gonna do when Troy go to school?
Me and Daddy time.
Me and daughter time. Mommy and daughter time.
Mommy and Daddy time.
Ayan, ito lagi yan. Mommy and daughter time lagi.
Here.
This is Troy.
This is
So ito, meron, ito yung ni Troy. Sa na pala sila, guys? Nagpunta na sila sa practice. Ayan. Cover lang natin yung last name ng teacher. Ayan, a little treat to make the first day sweet. It's going to be a great year. Ayan.
my word. This
Tapos, ayan. Mayroon kinain na si Troy yung ring pop. Kinain na niya. Tapos, he got the fruit snack. Troy already ate it. So, this is Troy, okay? You'll get one next year. When you go to school. Excited na yun. Just me.
Get a lollipop.
We don't have any lollipop. We'll have to buy lollipop, okay?
Can we go now?
No! I have so much to do. Kaya nga hindi ako sumama sa practice today. I have so much to do, guys. Okay. Kasi, meron akong gagawin na t-shirt nila. O, diba? Ako na talaga ang always last minute na gumagawa. So, meron akong t-shirt na gagawin. Like, it says the first day of school. So, nagawa ko na siya. And kailangan ko na lang siyang i-print out and then i-dikit sa mga t-shirt nila. So, ayan. And then, of course, I have to, ayan, marami tayong mga papers na i-fill out. Kaya, ayan, marami tayo. 3 to. Ayan. Ayan, 3 yan na i-fill out natin. So, next year yan, 4 na. My gosh. Kaya nakaka-lurk. Yeah! But anyways, so yun ang gagawin ko. And then, i-aasikasuhin na natin yung mga backpack nila na hindi ko nagawa. So, i-ready na natin. At saka yung mga school supplies na yung mga, hindi naman lahat ng school supplies. Kasi yung dinala lang namin kaganina is more on like donation. Yun lang yung binigay namin sa kanila. And then, school supplies, we'll put it in their backpack for tomorrow. Kaya sobrang busy. And then gagawa pa ako ng dinner. O, diba ako na talagang sobrang busy. But anyways, aray, sugat ko. Tignan nyo, patanggal lang patanggal. Aray ko, masakit siya. But anyways, ayun. So, yun. Tawag na to. So, yeah, oh my gosh, guys. Right, back to school na. Back to reality. Back to reality. So, anyways, so yun. So, okay naman daw na mag-send ng cupcake sa Monday para mas, alam nyo, may maano yung mga bagets. And sabi ko kung pwede, like, they can sing happy birthday sa kanya kahit na late na yung kanyang, diba? At least. Pero next year, kasi pre-K pa lang siya. So, kaya hiniwalay ang kanyang yung pre-K, hiniwalay sa first day ng mga regular, kasi pre-K pa lang naman. And then, pero pag nag-kinder na siya, same, first day of school na siya with Chad Caleb. And then, si Natalia naman is may iba, pero pag nag-kinder na siya, ganun din. Oh, diba? Oh my God! Oh my God! Okay, anyways. Alright, let's start working na. Dahil, mag-aasikaso muna ako ng dinner kasi gusto nila ng mashed potato. So, I will make some mashed potato muna. And then, I'm gonna start making my stuff. So, guys, 7:30 ang end ng practice today is dahil first day of school. So, nag-announce sila na 7:30 yung end ng practice today. So, I'm trying to hurry as fast as I can dahil nagluluto ako. May ginagawa ako dito. Oh my gosh, sobrang busy ko. But, I'm done with cooking actually. Pero, I still have to make some mashed potato. But, yun na lang yung gagawin ko. And then, yeah. Say, kain tayo! It's okay. Troy's sad, so it's okay. It's Armageddon. Armageddon. Hi guys. So let's make some shirt for my babies. So papakita ko sa inyo guys kung paano ako gumawa ng shirt ng aking mga babies. So this is my they call this vinyl. Alam ko meron na rin Cricut sa Pilipinas. Cricut ang tawag dito, Cricut machine. So, ito ipakita ko sa inyo yung design na napili ni Kuya Chad pa kanyang 4th grade, first day of school. And level up, 4th grade. Dahil gusto niya ang PlayStation. So, yan ang design na gusto niya. So, and yan na rin yung color na gusto niya. So, thank you to Daddy for buying me all the colors that I need. Isn't that right, Daddy? So I have green and we need red. Balik lang natin. So pakita ko lang sa inyo how I make this shirt. And hopefully the red will be enough. But I have an extra here. So, for this one, para sa inyo. Ayan, para dito guys, lalagay lang natin sa shirt. Ayan, dito sa plain t-shirt, para makita natin kung how big the shirt would be. Ayan, meron din size. And then, pag lumagpas ka, there's my red mark right here. Ayan, may red mark right there para malaman kung ano yung size na ibibigay sa'yo. So, this is, kailangan lang, it has to be 11 point lower than 11 point something. But, I don't want that big. Kasi sobrang laki niyan. Ayan, ganyan lang. Alright, let's try and make it. See, ang laki eh. So, magpapalit lang tayo ng color. Kasi sobrang laki niya. Pababanin na lang natin. Palitin na lang natin. Ayan. Wala kasi akong malaking ano. Ayan. So, ayan siya. And then, ilalagay natin siya. Mirror. Ayan, ito yung ano. Alright. So, let's start. So, ito na yung ating, ano guys, ating green. So, lalagay lang natin siya dito. Ayan. So, ilalagay lang natin siya dyan. Make sure na Wait lang natin na umilaw. Ayan. Kasi press the button. Para makita nyo. So, ayan guys. Tapos na siya. Ayan. Kung makikita nyo. Ayan. So, pakita ko sa inyo paano ko siya tanggalin. So, gagamit kayo nitong ano. And then, ayan. Tapos hilain lang siya. Nang ganyan.
Didn't pass the tissue test. Buckle up. There's toothpaste white, there's Crest 3 to 1 shirts white. White is like a $400 professional treatment. Crest. This is our summer drink.
So, ayan. Ayan, tapos na. So, we're gonna put it on the shirt now. So guys, ito na yung mga nakat natin. Ayan. Ay, hindi ko pa pala natatanggal to. Oops. Alright, let's start. So, ayan na guys, ang ating shirt. Medyo hindi even lang yung dito natin, pero okay na yan. So, ayan. And also, nagawa ko na din kay Caleb na shirt. So, same color sila ng shirt ni Kuya Chad. So, ito, pakita ko sa inyo. Yung kay Troy, guys, dahil Monday pa naman siya papasok, gagawin ko na lang sa kanya sa Friday kasi medyo marami pa akong kailangan gawin. And it's already 10:55 kasi gusto ko mag-decorate ng, ano ba to? First day of school decoration. Kiname. So, yun. Kaya, sa Friday ko na gagawin yun sa kanya since Monday pa naman siya papasok. So, ito na yung kay Caleb. Ayan. Ready to tackle 3rd grade. Kasi, ano siya, football. Kaya, ayan. Oh, diba? Ayan. So, last year, guys, hindi ko sila nagawa ng shirt last year. Kaya, bumabawi tayo this year. So, yun. So, tapos na ako. Magliligpit na ako. And then, magde-decorate na tayo for tomorrow, first day of school. So, ito na guys. Nalobo ko na yung mga balloon na nabili ko sa Amazon. Back to school, tapos Apple. And then, ito naman, dahil hindi magkasabay ang first day ni Troy sa mga kuya niya, ito iiwan natin to. Kasi ilulobo ko rin to sa Monday or Sunday. Back to para sa kanyang first day of school. Tapos, ito, ayan. And then, itong apple. So, iiwan natin to. Hindi natin sila ilolobo. And then, itong backdrop na nabili ko din. Ito ko muna sa inyo bago natin ikabi. Ayan, nakalagay, back to school. Ayan, nabili ko siya sa Amazon din yan. So, I'm excited. So, excited ako gamitin siya. So, I mean, ilagay sa Ang inaano ko guys is ilagay siya sa backdrop talaga. Like, dito ko sana ilalagay dito. Kaso nga lang, baka mamaya naman, mapatid sila dun sa ng backdrop. So, sa wall na lang natin ilagay. So, I have no idea kung paano ko to ilalagay kasi wala naman akong yung pangtusok sa parang pantusok sa wall. Wala ako nun eh. Ang dami kong mga gamit ito. Wala akong pantusok sa nakakainis. Maghahanap muna ako. Tingnan natin kung meron ako. Ayan na guys, back to school. Tapos na. Hopefully magstay siya dyan kasi wala tayong parang thumbtacks. Ganun. So hopefully magstay until tomorrow. So guys, i-end ko na ang vlog dahil ako'y pagod na. Naayos ko na din yung backpack nila. So, yeah, I'm so tired na. So, eto, pakita ko sa inyo yung backpack. So, ayan, ready na sila for tomorrow. Ayan, nakalagay na rin yung mga nila. Pero yung shoes, sila na yung pipili ko anong shoes ang gusto nilang suotin tomorrow. So, ayan. I'm so tired now. So, end ko ng vlog guys. Magtatanggal lang ako ng makeup ko. And then tomorrow, we're gonna go to i-drop off natin si Chad at si Caleb sa school. And then, tomorrow, we're gonna go to Walmart kasi bibili tayo ng mga kakailanganin natin para sa Friday, sa birthday ni Troy. We're just gonna do a simple celebration sa mismong birthday niya kasi sobrang busy tayo ng Sabado. Kaya dahil sa Saturday meron kaming another game. Kaya sobrang magiging busy tayo. Kaya gagawin na lang natin yung birthday niya sa mismong actual birthday niya. So that's Friday. So small get together lang with friends and family. Yun. So yun, bukas ko na i-ano sa inyo lahat. Inaantok na talaga ako. Ako'y matutulog na. And maga pa tayo gigising bukas. So, good night guys. Thank you so much for watching. And I hope to see you guys again on the next one. Good night.